Paragraph writing. Write a short paragraph about your school. Points: name of the school, location, big or small, number of students and teachers, playground and library, teacher student relation, your feeling. Answer: I am a student of Shodhpur High School. It stands on Shodhpur Road, Shodhpur, North 24 Parganas. It is a big school. There are 700 students and 35 teachers. The school is housed in a three-storied building. There is a big playground in front of our school. We have a good library. The relation between the teachers and students is very good. We respect our teachers. They also love us. Every year, the students of our school perform well in the Madhyamik Pariksha. We are proud of our school.